So if you're on this video, definitely you have interest in going to Istanbul, Turkey. So in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about my shortest stay. Actually, it was just 2 days in Turkey, which I loved it most. Let's get started. As you can see, this is the view from my hotel. I stayed in Sultan Ahmet area. I can put all the details about which hotel it is. It's a rooftop. We had breakfast. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful view. Places I've been, as I've been telling you, Grand Bazaar, Sultan Ahmet, Hagia Sophia. We're pretty much within 5 to 10 minutes from this hotel. So I pretty much walked both days. And only for the Istanbul Taksim Square, I had to get on the taxi. Otherwise, pretty much was within the walking distance. Now from the hotel, I'm on my way to Grand Bazaar. As I said before, it's just within 5 to 10 minutes walk. I'm saying it wouldn't take more than 5 minutes. So I got out of my hotel and now I'm on my way to the Grand Bazaar. So here at the entrance of the Grand Bazaar, as you can see, it's pretty busy in the morning. I believe it's around 11 or 12. This is the entrance, crowdy, busy. You will find all the tourists here. And once you go there inside, it's a whole new world. It's a huge market. So I don't know about you, but when I go to the places, I like to shop around. And now we are into this Grand Bazaar. As we go on, you can see more shops, and I have more videos going in this video. You'll find a dry fruit shops. It's a one place you can find pretty much everything. So if you're a tourist, you can buy this Turkish delight. And believe me, I ate a lot of them. You can find some showpieces for your house. So once you're there, you won't be able to get out. And if you plan on shopping, my advice is that do bargain, brush up your negotiation skill, start with half of the price. When they expect you to negotiate, as I said, it's all touristic. You will not find a Turkish local there, and they know it, all tourists. So you may end up buying some stuff at more price, but again, it saves your time, your day. So as you see now, these are spices and the tea. So I bought a lot of organic tea, green tea, pomegranate tea. So one stop, one bazaar, you get everything. And there in the bazaar, I met this cool guy.
I'm gonna be famous, yeah?
You never know.
Yeah, Igor Yara, Tu Meri Yara.
And what was the other one? Dil Dil?
Dil Dil Pakistan, Jan Jan Pakistan. And Jo Hai Sama Kal Ho Na Ho.
क्या बात है.
And also, I know, Judar Ge Omar Ge. That's important.
Okay, good. And now again in the same market, I've been shopping around for different things, and I came across these lamps, which I'm really crazy about. These lamps, these, I'm not sure, Turkish lamps or Moroccan, but I found them at a very good price. So now I'm on my way to Taksim Square. A dinner is hosted by my Turkish friend. So according to him, it is a pure Turkish authentic food, and I really loved it. It was grilled, it was meat, it was so delicious. What is called?
It's garlic.
Garlic.
This is the garlic and this is the onion. This cold garlic is really famous actually. Why we didn't eat it, I don't know, but usually we eat it with alcohol. Bakın.
As you can see, this is a live barbecue in an indoor place, indoor restaurant, and that was really a fun having dinner at this place. Now I'm done with the dinner and my way out to the Taksim Square outside. So in Turkey, if you go to Turkey and do not eat the baklava, means you gotta go back, because you cannot come and leave Turkey without eating their baklava and other sweets. So if you go there, you better go to Hafiz Mustafa, try their baklava. You can hear the beautiful azans from the masjid. There are masjids all over in Istanbul, and it's the time of the prayer. This place is very crowded, very busy. This is the Hagia Sophia museum. Now we'll go inside and see the history related to this museum. This used to be a church back in days, then it was turned into a masjid, and now it's turned into a museum. So now I'm inside the museum. It's a huge museum. It used to be a theater or a hall. Back in the days, it can accommodate, I think, thousands of people, maybe 10,000 more or less. And the architecture is so stunning. I just love it. some parts of the museum were still under construction, so I'm not sure if they completed or not, but construction was stopped during the time when I visited. Now from there I went for dinner the second night, and this is one of the most amazing and fascinating experience for me to have a dinner. It is just a different way of cooking this meal, so you gotta watch this video. It's coming in few seconds. Must have seen on YouTube. Let's see. Happy birthday. You gotta try it. Okay. So make sure you come and try it here. So that's end the video and ends my visit in Istanbul. Next day I got on my next flight. So this was the order. If you see here, it says 65 lira, but again we were like 4 or 5 people, so I paid 250 lira. So you gotta make sure, confirm the prices. You gotta make sure. My advice is that I believe I ended up paying more. I would have been paying 175 lira, which is somewhere around $35-40, but still under $50 for 5 people. I think it was worth it. That being said, if you like this video, please subscribe, like this video, share with others, and do let me know in comments and suggestion what would you like to see in my future video. Thank you again for watching this video.